Bruxism is a disorder of grinding teeth, either consciously or unconsciously. Bruxism by itself is not a disease. This condition will have some other underlying cause. Symptoms of teeth grinding include facial pain, headaches, earache, pain, stiffness in the jaw joint and surrounding muscles, which can lead to temporomandibular disorder (TMD), disrupted sleep for you or your partner, worn down teeth, which can lead to increased sensitivity and even tooth loss, broken teeth or fillings. Facial pain and headaches often disappear when you stop grinding your teeth. Tooth damage usually only occurs in severe cases and may need treatment. Treating teeth grinding. There are a number of treatments for teeth grinding. Using a mouth guard or mouth splint reduces the sensation of clenching or grinding your teeth. They also help reduce pain and prevent tooth wear, as well as protecting against further damage. Other treatments include muscle relaxation exercises and sleep hygiene. If you have stress or anxiety, cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) may be recommended. The cause of teeth grinding isn't always clear, but it's usually linked to other factors such as stress, anxiety, or sleep problems. Teeth grinding is most often caused by stress or anxiety, and many people aren't aware they do it. It often happens during sleep. Teeth grinding can sometimes be a side effect of taking certain types of medication. In particular, teeth grinding is sometimes linked to a type of antidepressant known as a selective serotonin reuptake inhibitor (SSRI). Examples of SSRIs include paroxetine, fluoxetine, and sertraline. If you snore or have a sleep disorder such as obstructive sleep apnea, you are more likely to grind your teeth while you sleep. Other factors that can make you more likely to grind your teeth or make it worse include drinking alcohol, smoking, using recreational drugs such as ecstasy and cocaine, having lots of caffeinated drinks such as tea or coffee, 6 or more cups a day. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel.